My name is Kara, and I met Dr. Soanes through Dr. Matthias and Dr. Franklin. And Dr. Franklin and Dr. Matthias have really helped me with my endometriosis. I've struggled with fertility for as long as I can remember, since I was 18. And that's how I met Dr. Soanes. We started working with how my emotions were affecting my fertility and my struggles with endometriosis and PCOS and gastrointestinal issues and all those things that come together. And so when my husband and I decided to start having children, we started working with Dr. Soanes long before we started the in vitro process, and worked with Dr. Soanes on working on my fear of the procedure not working, on my fear of something going wrong or me doing something wrong or disappointing myself or other people. And we worked through that whole process. And then as I started the IVF, I had fear of just the process itself and maybe of having to do it more than once. And we continued to work through that whole process, and Dr. Soanes and I worked through my entire pregnancy. In fact, I ended up in the hospital on bed rest, and Dr. Soanes came to the hospital to visit me so I could stay calm and in control of things so that I could carry the babies as long as I possibly could. I'm just thankful that I did this. I think it's helped me have a successful pregnancy. You know, one of the things that we noticed, my husband and I noticed immediately when when the babies were born and they had to go to the NICU because they were born early, was that the couple next to us had boy-girl twins, and we have boy-girl twins, and their twins were always noisy and fussy and couldn't be calmed, and those parents, we called them the nervous Nellies. They were always there, and they were not always there, and they were constantly nervous and anxious and afraid of everything. And you could see that in their children, where our kids were calm and easy to deal with, and people seemed to enjoy being with them. Their kids seemed to struggle and have a hard time. So it was a great application of everything that we learned with Dr. Soanes. We could definitely see it play out from the moment those babies arrived.